Assalamu alaikum. I am Rayan Tahir.
And I am Abdul Rafay from grade 5.
Today we will discuss about microscope. It is microscope. Microscope was invented by Jansen. It is an instrument used to view small objects that cannot be seen with our naked eye, even cells. Let's discuss its different parts.
Eyepiece or ocular lens. It is used to view objects.
Objective lens. Shortest lens have lowest power, longest lens have greatest power.
Body tube. It connects eyepiece to objective lens.
Coarse adjustment knob. It is larger knob. It is used to move up and down.
Arm. It connects body tube to base.
Fine adjustment knob. It is smaller knob. It is used to sharpen the image.
Base. It is a bottom of microscope used for support. Stage. Flat surface where we place slide. Stage clip. It holds the slide. So we conclude that microscope help us to explore the tiny world